currently looking at visual behaviors of athletes, so where and what do they look at. Right now we don't really know where these athletes look at. They can't articulate it, and we only know whether, let's say, a penalty kick is saved or unsaved and whether the ball goes in, but we do not know where the goalkeeper is looking at or where the player is looking at. So my thesis focuses on the visual behavior between more skilled athletes and the less skilled, specifically in badminton itself, focusing a lot on badminton players. Yeah. Why? Because the athletes we try to ask them, where do you look at when you do a particular movement, but they always tell you, I don't look at anything, but that's not true. So the only tool that we thought will be useful for us at this stage will be an eye tracker, so we get to understand what is it that they are thinking of, how they plan their movements, and what they look at. Yeah.
So what?
Very interesting data. So as expected, the higher skilled athletes look at different stuff. What we found out was that even within the expert groups itself, there's individual differences that are huge. So we are moving towards more individualized kind of approach to our research. So looking at the person instead of, let's say, a whole group of expert soccer players, just one player itself.
Okay.
Yeah. We mainly look at the performance itself, so we'll just combine it with the outcome of whatever task that we task them to do. So let's say for badminton serving into a target area, so the performance at the end. We've combined it with heart rate data to see if they are nervous, whether it changes. Heart rate data, the rest are normal video recordings and interviews at the end. Yeah.
Okay. And
there are actually some stuff that we do where the participant looks at a video game itself. So we track where they looked at certain kind of billboards at the side. So if they say they're playing a car racing game, normally have the advertisements at the side. So we try to see where they do that. So likewise for a basketball or badminton game, we can see where the spectators look at when they are watching a game. We're looking at how fatigue affects visual behavior. So whether the visual behavior changes before a game and after a game. So when you're tired, do you still aim and look at the same places? So yeah, that's the future of what I'll be doing.